In this lesson, I will explain to you order of commands. So here I have written that in computer programming operations are generally run from top to bottom. This is the order of commands. So see here that I have written size. This is the size of the canvas. Line, we have to draw a line, and then ellipse. So with the help of this example, I will show you what is the meaning that operations run from top to bottom or the order of commands. So I will copy this in the canvas. See, this one is our canvas, and size of the canvas will be 500 by 500, means 500 pixels on the x-axis, 500 on the y-axis, and then is line, right? And you already know that a line needs 4 parameters, similarly ellipse needs 4 parameter, and these two functions are perfect. So when I am going to run it, so you will see there is an ellipse, but where is the line, right? Because I have written line and then ellipse. So where is the line? So as I said that all the operations run from top to bottom, there should be a line first and then ellipse. It means there is a line and the top of line processing has made the ellipse. So it is overlapped. So if we will change the position, how to solve this problem? See, so just I will delete from here and I will copy it after the ellipse. Now ellipse and then line, when I will run, this is the same programming, only I have changed the position. First there will be ellipse, on the top of the ellipse there is a line, right? So it says that operations run from top to bottom, and order of commands means whatever command you have written first, it will run first and then second and then third and so on. So in the previous example, the first one, this one, our line is still there, but ellipse is on the top of the line. Here I just changed the position. The ellipse is first and then line, and you can see the line and the ellipse both on the canvas. Just like in BADMAS, in maths question, BADMAS, or we say PEMDAS, that bracket, exponential, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction, these are a sequence. So the same thing you have to apply on the programming as well. And here I have made a simple note that the order of commands issued to the program will impact the result. I hope this very small video is clear to you. If any point is not clear, you can ask me. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.